Today I am going to show you some more fun science experiments. The first experiment is related to salt and pepper. In this experiment, we will make the pepper jump up high. For this experiment, we need a plate, salt, pepper powder and a comb. First, sprinkle some salt and pepper on the plate. Now rub the comb on your hair. Do you observe that the pepper is hopping onto the comb? Did you observe how the pepper powder hopped onto the comb and the salt stayed on the plate? Why is it so? If you know the reason, let me know in the comment section down below. Shh. Now we are going to write a secret letter. This is our second experiment. For this experiment, we need a piece of paper, lemon juice, a toothpick and an earbud. I am going to write a letter with an earbud and another with a toothpick. Now, let's start. Let's wait for them to dry up. Can you see anything on these papers? I think no. Let me show you how to read these papers. Let's try heating them up with a candle or an iron. Be careful not to burn the paper. Do you observe the letters that are being visible now? I almost burnt this paper. Let us try with another one. Here it is. Let's iron the second paper and see what's written on it. Put a cloth on the paper. Be careful while ironing it. Just ironing on the paper once. This is how it looks like after ironing. Since I wrote it with a toothpick, it's looking lighter. How was that? We can write invisible diaries also, right? I was just kidding. Have fun with this experiment. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Bye.